The Bose Smart Soundbar 900 with Dolby Atmos brings the immersive feeling of a movie theater into your home. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your soundbar. Let's begin by opening the box. Inside, you'll find your Bose Smart Soundbar 900. Lift up this flap to reveal a high-speed HDMI cable, an optical cable, and a power cord. You'll also find a remote and 2 AAA batteries. Let's take the time to insert those now. And finally, you'll find an Adapt IQ headset, along with a quick start guide and important safety information. Okay, now let's set up your Smart Soundbar 900. Begin by centering the soundbar in front of your TV. For the best sound quality, make sure the up-firing speakers on top of the soundbar aren't blocked. Next, connect the power cord into the power port on the back of the soundbar. Plug the other end into an AC power outlet. The soundbar will automatically power on, and the light bar will glow amber once it's in setup mode. Please note, if you leave your soundbar in this state for around 2 hours, it will exit setup mode and need to be reactivated. To do so, unplug the power cord and wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. You can also aim the remote at the soundbar and press and hold the mute and music buttons until the light bar glows amber. Okay, now to complete setup and access all the features your soundbar has to offer, you'll need to download the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Log in with or create a new My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap the plus button and then select Speakers and Soundbars. A scan will begin searching for your soundbar. Once it appears, tap Add. Follow the app instructions to connect your soundbar to Wi-Fi. Set up sharing settings. Connect accessory speakers, and add any compatible voice assistants in your region. Of course, you'll also need to connect the soundbar to your TV. We recommend connecting with an HDMI cable if your TV has an HDMI eARC port or an ARC port. Otherwise, use the optical cable instead. The Bose Smart Soundbar 900 supports Dolby Atmos technology, which requires a connection to a TV with an HDMI eARC port. However, if your TV doesn't have an HDMI eARC port, our proprietary Bose TrueSpace technology will intelligently analyze 5.1 in stereo signals and upmix them to create a multi-channel experience with a sense of height in the soundscape. Additionally, using an HDMI port will allow you to control the power, volume, and mute functions of the soundbar with the remote you currently use to control your TV. The HDMI CEC function of your TV must be enabled for this functionality. Insert one end of the HDMI cable into your TV's HDMI eARC or ARC port. Then, insert the other end into the HDMI eARC port on the back of the soundbar. If connecting with the optical cable, remove the protective cap from both ends. Align one end with your TV's optical out port and insert the plug carefully. Next, align the other end with the optical in port on the back of the soundbar and firmly push until you hear or feel a click. When using an optical cable, you can take advantage of the auto wake feature, which automatically powers on the soundbar whenever a sound signal is received. To enable or disable this feature, press and hold the power button on the remote until the light bar pulses white twice. Your Bose Smart Soundbar 900 is now set up. For additional support, visit our website